Hi guys, in today's video we are going to understand rotation of budget line when the price of any one commodity has changed. When commodity's price change to, it will rotate, and if there is change in both the commodities prices, there will be shift. So I hope you got the clear meaning of shift and rotation. So now we are going to understand rotation of budget line due to change in any commodities price. So let's get started. So our next point is change in the price of commodity on x-axis, and second condition will be change in the price of commodity on y-axis. So first we are going to take what are the changes on x-axis. As a if this is our budget line and we are going to assuming that the price of Maggi, as we are representing on x-axis, what is going to happen if we increase the price of Maggi, what will happen to the budget line, and if we decrease the price of Maggi, as this is represent on x-axis, what will be the impact on budget line. So this is our y-axis and x-axis. This is our budget line, as our income is fixed, as we are assuming when we are dealing with price, we are assuming that our income is constant, and if we are dealing with income changes, we will going to assume that our price is constant. So the assumption is income is fixed, that is 50 rupees, and the price of chips, as we are representing on y-axis, and Maggi chips, price of chips is 5 rupees and price of Maggi is 10 rupees. Now we are assuming that price of chips is fixed as 5 rupees, as we are going to change in price of x-axis, that we are showing Maggi, as the price of Maggi is changed from 10 to 15, as this is increased. What will going to happen? Consumer will not buy more of Maggi, as the price of Maggi is increased but our income is constant. So our budget line will rotate, not shift, because price of chips is fixed and we are purchase as whatever we are purchasing. So it will shift to leftwards. As point we are representing as B1. So why does it happen? As price of Maggi is increased, consumer will get to purchase less of Maggi, and chips, whatever he is purchasing, he is going to purchase at all. But the price of Maggi is increased, he will going to purchase less of Maggi, so it will shift to leftwards. Now second condition is on y-axis and x-axis, we are representing chips on y-axis and Maggi on x-axis. Price of chips is 5 and the price of Maggi is we are going to take as 10 rupees. Now what is happening? The price of Maggi is decreased from 10 to 6. Now consumer will able to purchase more of the Maggi. So as he is going to purchase as chips as what he is purchasing, but as the price of Maggi is decreased, he is able to purchase more of Maggi. As on x-axis, this is x-axis and we are representing Maggi on x-axis and chips on y-axis. So this is our budget line that will be rotate. As it is rotate rightwards and it is rotating at leftwards. As price will be changed, what will going to happen, and if price will be decreased, what will going to happen, that we are representing on diagram. Now we are assuming that change in price of commodity on y-axis. As our assumption of income will be fixed. As the price of chips is 5 rupees and price of Maggi is 10. Now we are assuming that price of chips has been increased from 5 to 10 and it is 10. Now what will going to happen, as the price of chips has been increased, we are going to purchase less of packet of chips. So this will be our budget line will rotate. So this is our budget line that will rotate. Now, second thing, we are assuming that price of chips is decreased from 5 to 3 and price of Maggi is, as we are assuming, that will be constant. As we are dealing with y-axis commodity. Okay. Why I'm drawing. So this is our original budget line that is representing 5 and 10 price of Maggi and chips. So the price of chips is decreased. Now consumer will able to purchase more packet of chips. So it will shift rightwards. And we are going to purchase Maggi as whatever we are purchasing from the very first point when we are taking price of commodity on y-axis. And as our income is fixed, will decrease or increase the consumption based on the prices. So we are able to purchase more packet of chips. So I hope you got the clear meaning of shift and rotation in the budget line. So there can be any circumstances, but we have to assume that when we are taking circumstances that is belongs to price, we will going to assume that our income is fixed. And if we are taking there is change in income of the consumer, we will going to take price as constant. So I hope you got the meaning and you got the clarification of diagrams. Thank you.